over there. Settle down. Good afternoon from Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Saturday. And I wasn't planning on doing a video. In fact, I was napping. I was all comfy and cozy in my bed under the covers. And then I hear this bulldozer. I'm telling you. You move out to the country to avoid, the traffic noise and the honking and the kids playing out your window. And what happens out in the country? A bulldozer shows up. I am not complaining at all. I plan on taking today off. I just did not sleep well last night. I had a headache today. But yeah, a little nap and a bulldozer sure gets you going. So cool. Yeah. I'm still not fully awake. Let's talk. The scrap metal pile got taller. So that was one thing. Got all of the metal out of that hole. And it was a hole too. I don't know if you could tell from previous videos, but that was a hole. Yeah, how about that? How about that? Man, my view certainly has changed. It seems like every few months I've got a completely different view from my front door. I'm not at my front door right now. But yeah, all the metal is gone. He filled up the hole. That hole was a good 3-4 feet deep. It was meant to be like a storm cellar next to the house. But of course, just like the house, nothing the previous dude did made much sense. But it turned out that hole was the grave for the house that was built beside it. Oh, that's kind of funny. But, yeah, I don't know what else I can say about this, but thank you, cool neighbor with the cows, Mr. Bulldozer Man. So, very nice. Now I'm at my front door with a new view. Very cool. So these two trees I want to get chopped down. Although now that hole's filled up, I've got some thinking to do. But I want those two trees, and I want that tree, which is pretty much dead because it's been burned a few times. And then, yeah, and then there's well, especially that dead tree hanging over the power lines there. And hey, look at that mountaintop. Oh yeah. It was supposed to rain yesterday. It was supposed to rain today, I mean. But it rained last night and hardly anything. Yeah, can you see the mountain ridge line all the way? That's to the south of me. Mount Magazine is to the north of me. But yeah, in the winter I've got another mountain right there, and boy, those are pretty close. I wonder how close they are. But that's probably why I get a lot milder weather here than other parts of Arkansas. I am right in it's the Petit Jean River Valley, and I've got mountains to the north of me and mountains very close to me, the ones you're looking at to the south. That's Tater Mountain. And so I don't think it gets quite as windy here because the mountains are blocking and rearranging the weather. But yeah, you can see the mountain ridge line all the way through there. Well, good thing I got all those lilies out of there, huh? They'd have been smashed to bits. Oh, I did not plan on doing a video today, so I don't know what I'm going to talk about right now. I do... any channels that are still trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark, please feel free to leave a comment below. And I know how hard it is to get to that 1,000 mark. I had so many channels give me shout outs until I got to that point. And White House on the Hill, I'll give a shout out to White House on the Hill. They did a video like the top 10 small homesteading YouTube channels, and that took me up into the from 500 or 600 up to 900 subscribers, and then out in the country gave me a shout out in their comments, and that put me over the top of 1,000 subscribers right as that new deadline, that the new requirements went into place. So so that was great. I mean, I would not be where I am today without, on YouTube, without so many other YouTube channels giving me shout outs. So I like to give back. I really do like giving back. So yeah, I didn't plan on a video, so I don't have any shout outs prepared, but yeah, White House on the Hill was instrumental, Out in the Country was instrumental. The grass-fed homestead, they sent me, you know, my first subscribers when I first got started. Same with Pratt Family Homestead. Rose at Wholesome Roots sent subscribers my way. I can't even name them all. I could probably sit here for hours and name all the channels that have contributed to me being where I am. So yeah. Next, it did not rain as much as they said it was, so I think I can get the tree service in here this week. Of course, he just loosened up all the soil with the bulldozer, but yeah, that'll be okay. I got a bunch of cardboard I could lay down. All right, hope everybody's having a great weekend. I was trying to take it easy today. I really was. Didn't happen. So you guys take her easy for me. What do you think, Fifi? You like the new view and the new front yard here? Pretty cool. Hi, Bob. Yeah. Yeah. You all of a sudden like coming in my room because Grumpy's in here too. What is going on? Okay. Bob is getting a good scratching. Similar theory to them eating together. Bob associates good things with being near Grumpy. And no problems at all. See, you feed them, I've been feeding them the wet, good food together. And so Bob associates tasty morsels, yes, with being near Grumpy. And now he's associating getting a good scratching while he is near Grumpy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now Bob's gonna go try to jump up on my computer and kitchen and everything else. So that's why Bob has to go. Grumpy is more well behaved.